They say nothing lasts forever. The same can be said about the tools we use today. And in 2025, these 5 AI tools are going to be completely useless for content creators. I'll tell you why they're going to be useless and, more importantly, what you should do instead. So let's get into it.
Number 1. Add organic photos. This was one of my favorite tools for adding B-roll to my videos. What you can basically do is select from different categories like nature, travel or technology, and then you can download free stock footage. But this tool is actually not really built for content creators, which is why it's gonna be useless in 2025 because this tool only provides low-resolution videos. If you download a video in 4K, it's gonna cost you $7. And when it comes to licensing, they don't have a clear explanation. So even if you pay for it, you might still need to ask permission from the owner of the content. On top of all of this, there are better alternatives out there that offer higher quality and more flexibility. For example, Pixels, which offers free stock footage with no attribution required. They also have a vast library with new videos added daily. And if you want to go pro, you can unlock 4K videos for just $8 per month. So make sure to stop using Add Organic Photos in 2025 and switch to Pixels or other alternatives like Mixkit or Storyblocks. Okay, so now we got that out of the way. Let me share with you a tool that I have been using for a while now. It's an awesome tool that will save you tons of time creating your social media posts. You can start with a blank canvas or pick from thousands of templates designed for various platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest and more. The best thing about it is that it's super easy to use. Even someone with zero design skills can create beautiful graphics. My favorite feature is the element library where you can add icons, GIFs, stickers, videos and even text animations to your posts. It's amazing. And here are some examples of text animations that I found very useful. Once you're done creating your masterpiece, you can easily download it in any format and share it wherever you want. Now if you're a team manager, you can invite your colleagues to collaborate in real time. Plus you can unlock access to over 2 million premium assets by upgrading to a paid plan. Now I know what you're thinking. There are already many tools out there that claim to do the same, so why should I choose this one? Well, unlike its competitors, it focuses heavily on speed and ease of use. In just a few seconds, you can come up with incredible designs that will make your audience stop scrolling. Plus, it integrates directly with Unsplash so you can access millions of royalty-free images without leaving the app. Alright, enough with the shameless plug. Let's move on to the next tool. The second tool on our list is Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is a royalty-free music platform that allows users to license music for use in their content. They offer a vast library of high-quality tracks across various genres that can be used in videos, podcasts, and other creative projects. However, there are 2 reasons why I think this tool is going to be useless for content creators in 2025. First, the price is not competitive enough, especially for independent creators. Epidemic Sound's individual plan costs around $15 per month, which adds up to around $180 per year. That's a pretty penny for individuals who don't necessarily need all the features offered by the service. Secondly, there are better alternatives out there that offer similar music libraries at a lower price point. One such alternative is Artlist, a tool that I personally use. I started using Artlist a few months ago and I am absolutely loving it. Not only do they have an unlimited music catalog, but it also offers additional perks such as sound effects and the ability to download stem files. The best part about it is the one-time payment model. The third tool that's going to be useless is Pixabay. Pixabay is a popular platform that offers royalty-free images, illustrations, vectors and music. While it has a massive library of content, there are several reasons why it's not ideal for content creators anymore. Firstly, the watermarks. Pixabay requires users to add a watermark to any downloaded content unless they purchase a license. This can be seen as an inconvenience for creators who want to use the content in their work. Next, the quality of content on Pixabay varies widely and it can be difficult to find high-quality images and artwork. The platform also lacks a good search function, making it challenging to find the specific content that you're looking for. Another issue with Pixabay is that it doesn't offer much flexibility when it comes to licensing. Unlike some other platforms, you cannot use the content for commercial purposes without purchasing a license, which can be costly. Considering all these limitations, I recommend checking out Pixels. They don't require attribution, offer high-quality content and have a clean interface. Or check out Splash, a platform I talked about before. It's a great alternative as well. The fourth tool that's going to be obsolete soon is Filmora Go. Filmora Go is a mobile video editing app that gained popularity among iPhone users due to its user-friendly interface and wide range of features. It allows users to edit videos, add music and sound effects and apply various filters and transitions. However, it faces strong competition from CapCut, a newer app developed by ByteDance, the parent company of TikTok. CapCut offers a similar set of features but with a more intuitive interface and better integration with TikTok. One of the main drawbacks of Filmora Go is its limited export quality. While it allows for 1080p exports, there is no option for 4K, which may not be suitable for creators looking to produce high-quality content. CapCut, on the other hand, offers 4K exports, which is a major plus for serious creators. Furthermore, Filmora Go displays ads within the app which can be distracting while editing. CapCut, on the other hand, is completely ad-free, making it a more pleasant experience for users. And finally, the fifth tool that's going to become obsolete is Animoto. Animoto is an online video creation platform that allows users to create videos using a drag-and-drop editor and a library of stock footage, graphics and music. However, it's going to be obsolete soon because of 3 reasons. Firstly, Animoto has a limited library of assets compared to other platforms like InVideo or Runway ML, which makes it harder for users to find the right elements for their videos. Secondly, Animoto's pricing plans are quite expensive compared to competitors. While they offer a free plan, it has limited features and watermarks. Their paid plans are also more expensive than other platforms, making it less accessible for budget-conscious creators. Thirdly, Animoto has received mixed reviews regarding its customer support, with some users reporting difficulties in getting help when needed. Its competitors typically have more responsive and helpful customer support teams. Considering these issues, I suggest trying InVideo, a tool that offers a vast library of assets, affordable pricing and excellent customer support. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to drop a like on this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.